Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by mixing 500 g bread flour with 300 ml warm water, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. You want a tacky but not sticky dough. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes so gluten develops. This gives bagels their chew. Once done, shape into a ball and place in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover to proof at room temperature for 60 to 75 minutes. Make sure to check that the dough has roughly doubled. That rise is essential for structure. Once the dough has doubled, divide it into 8 equal pieces of about 110 grams each and pre-shape tight rounds. You'll rest them a short 15 minutes so the gluten relaxes. This makes final shaping clean and smooth. After resting, form the classic bagel ring by poking a hole in the center and stretching gently for even thickness. Then bring a wide pot of water to a simmer and boil each bagel 1 to 2 minutes per side with 1 tablespoon of baking syrup or honey. This creates the chewy crust. After boiling, place bagels on a parchment-lined tray and apply toppings while wet so they adhere. Bake in a 220 degrees oven for 18 to 22 minutes until a deep golden color. A hollow sound when tapped signals doneness. Let cool on a rack for at least 20 minutes to set the crumb. If your bagels turn out dense, troubleshoot by kneading longer to build gluten, ensuring the dough fully doubled on first proof, or extending the boil by 30 to 60 seconds to improve oven spring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.